If you have recently just had a baby, you'll find that your postures become a lot worse than before your pregnancy. Your shoulders are probably hunched forward because your chest has gotten heavier, your lumbar still feels weak and sore after carrying your baby for so long, and you still have trouble putting weight on your knees to walk or even just stand. A deep tissue massage can help with pain and soreness all over the body, or it could help take pressure off from your nervous system and help you to regain your mobility back from before your pregnancy.